How to log in into your Temu account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Temu account. So, without any further ado, let's begin. First, make sure that you've installed your Temu app. Now, just go to your app store and then search for Temu. Now, if you have not installed it, just install it via here. And if you already have installed it, make sure that you've updated it. So if you see an update option here, just update the app and then simply open it up. Now here, go to the U section on the bottom. Now here you'll notice sign in/register option. Now tap on sign in/register. Now if you've already logged in previously, you will get the very same profile shown to you here. Now to sign in with another profile, just tap on that option, and here you can continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, email, or even your phone number. The easiest way would be to continue with your Google. Now here, let me just sign in with my account here, and it's that simple, guys. As you can see, I've just logged in with a single tap. All you gotta do is type in your email and then password, and then hit login, and you are logged into it. So yeah, that is basically how you log in into your Temu account. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and bye bye. Take care.